These animals look fake, but they actually exist. Number 1. Blobfish, the saddest fish. This strange fish lives deep in the ocean under extreme pressure. Number 2. Axolotl. It can regenerate limbs and even parts of its brain. Number 3. Eye. It uses its long finger to find insects inside trees. Number 4. Saiga antelope. Its strange nose filters dust and cold air. Nature is stranger than imagination. There is plenty of more other strange animals in our planet. Which one shocked you most? Comment your answer and follow for more amazing facts.